I've got another really quick, easy recipe for you today, and the cheese and onion pasties. And you can have these made and ready to eat in around 30 minutes. They taste good, hot or cold, and they're also freezer friendly. First thing you want is 200 grams of mashed potato, and don't add butter to this when you make them. Then we've got 100 grams of cheese, any cheese you prefer. And then you want 1 medium chopped onion, and chop it into quite small pieces. And you can use any onions you want. So I've used half a white onion and half a red. Then I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper. Not too much though. But I'm not adding salt because there's already salt in that cheese. So let's get this all combined. And I'm mixing it, and then I'm forming it into this ball. That's all you need to do for that part. And then we're going to use a pre-made roll of puff pastry. And we just need to cut this into the size of the pasties that we want. Obviously, that's going to be up to you. And I find the easiest way to cut your pastry is with a pizza cutter. You just mark it out and then run down that line so you can get equal sized pieces. So now we can weigh that mix that we did earlier and then divide it into 4. And then I'll just form those portions into their own separate little balls. And then we're going to put some of this greaseproof paper onto his baking tray. And to help that stick, I'm just going to rub it over with a bit of lard. That'll stop your paper curling up. And then we can start and put these pasties together. So we'll just shape them until we get a good fit. Something like that. And make sure we keep it away from the edge. And then we're going to take some egg wash and go all the way around that edge. And then we'll just carefully fold that over until we meet this edge at the other end. And we can press it down until we make sure we've got a good fit. And then just carefully crimp those edges. So then we just need to go across with a fork just to make sure we've got a really good seal. And while you're doing this, preheat your oven to 175, and we'll just put a couple of slits in top of this just to let that steam out. And that's your pasty made. So we'll get the others put together and then we'll get them in oven. So that's his 4 pasties now made, and we're just going to brush over the entire thing with some of that egg wash. That's going to help it turn a nice golden brown. And then we'll get those straight in that preheated oven. And 20 minutes later, we've got some amazing looking cheese and onion pasties. So I'll just let these cool down a little bit and then we'll take them off this tray. Well, I'm pretty pleased with the way they've come out. Really nice sized little cheese and onion pasties. Perfect little snack. You can eat them hot, you can eat them cold, you can reheat them, and you can also freeze them. So give them a go, let me know what you think. And if you're interested in seeing other recipes we're going to be doing, then please hit that subscribe button and press that notifications bell. And we'll see you at the next one. Take care.